In today's video, I will walk you through how to use ElevenLabs V3 to produce expressive audio speech. When you're working with ElevenLabs V3, you'll notice that you can now add tags directly into your script. These tags give you control over the tone and expression of the generated speech, allowing you to adjust how different parts of your text are delivered. Tags are used to represent emotional expressions or other performance cues. Depending on the effect you want, you can add tags for expressions such as laughter, whispers, sighs, sarcasm, curiosity, or excitement. You can also include tags for sound effects such as gunshots, applause, or gasps when those are appropriate for your project. To use a tag, place it directly into your text where you want that expression or sound effect to happen. Each tag should be enclosed within opening and closing square brackets. The square brackets tell ElevenLabs that the text inside them is a tag rather than part of the spoken script. As you write your script, insert these tags at the exact points where you want the delivery to change. This allows you to control different sections of the narration individually, instead of applying the same tone to the entire script. Rather than changing the whole voice, you can place small prompts throughout your text to guide how each section should sound. This gives you the ability to customize different parts of your narration while keeping everything within a single script. Once you've finished writing your text and adding your tags, review the script to make sure every tag is placed where you intended. Check that each one is enclosed in square brackets before generating your audio. If you're not sure which expressions work best, try experimenting with different tags in your project. You can change the expressions you use until you find a combination that matches the style and tone you're trying to create. If you want additional guidance on how to use tags, you can also refer to the instructions provided by ElevenLabs. Those instructions include recommendations and best practices that can help you control the expressions in your generated audio more precisely. As you continue using ElevenLabs V3, you'll become more comfortable placing tags throughout your scripts to create expressive speech. By combining different emotional expressions and sound effect tags where needed, you can produce audio that follows the tone of your script more closely. With a little experimentation and careful placement of your tags, you'll be able to create more expressive audio speech for your future projects. Thank you for watching.